How to use an oxy-acetylene torch. First, make sure you have the proper PPE. This includes leather gloves, flame-resistant clothing like a leather jacket, safety glasses or goggles with a shade 4 to 6 lens, and closed-toe steel-toe boots. A face shield or welding helmet is also recommended because of sparks and bright light. Now let's talk about the setup. The smaller tank with the red hose is the acetylene tank. This is the fuel gas. The larger tank with the green hose is the oxygen tank, which acts as the oxidizer. Before touching anything, make sure all valves are fully closed. If any tank is left open or leaking, tell your teacher immediately. The first tank you have to open is the oxygen. You want to open it almost all the way. It should look like this. The right gauge shows how much gas is left in the tank. The left gauge is the actual pressure going through the hose. You can adjust this by using the pressure knob on the regulator. Next, slowly open the acetylene tank, only about a half turn to one full turn, never fully open it. Just like the oxygen tank, one gauge shows the tank pressure, and the other shows the working pressure going through the hose. I'll use 30 pounds per square inch on the oxygen, and 6 pounds per square inch on the acetylene for demonstration. Then grab the torch and slightly open the acetylene valve on the torch handle. Now before lighting it, point the torch away from yourself and others at all times. Use a striker to light it, never use a lighter. The flame will start off big and yellow. Adjust it until there is little visible soot coming out. Open the oxygen valve in the torch and use the knob in the middle to slowly add oxygen until you get a clean blue flame with visible little blue spikes in the tip of the torch. When you press the cutting lever you want these spikes to not change shape lot. If they do, try adding a little more oxygen or adjust it until you get it. This is what you usually want for cutting. When you're done, close the oxygen valve on the torch first, then close the acetylene valve. After that, close both tank valves completely starting with the acetylene one. Open both knobs on the torch and squeeze cutting lever to release the leftover gas from the lines. When all gauges show 0, you're ready to go. This keeps the equipment safe and prevents damage. Remember to leave everything just how you found it. Never leave before checking that the tanks are fully off. Always remember that oxy-acetylene torches are dangerous if used wrong. So never mess around with them and always listen to your instructor.